Welcome to Cairo, welcome to Egypt, and welcome to our campus.
The Global Forum brings people together to not only talk, but to prepare for and take action.
Responsible management education is fit to purpose to solve the grand challenges and vexing problems we have of today.
Global unity, local impact is a very important theme. It reflects the diversity among different countries, different organizations, different business schools.
I think going outside the global north and moving to the global south with the Prime Global Forum, coming to Africa in specific, means that the voices of the global south are represented.
Coming to us when I was at the World Bank, telling us that you don't need just to be managing directors or VPs or managers, you need to be leaders.
For the UN Global Compact, working with Prime has allowed us to look at how future leadership can be shaped in a way that makes sense for sustainability.
This week has been so inspiring for me as a student. It's really helped showcase how students can lead, particularly in Prime and advancing sustainability.
The highlight of this year's Global Forum was that we presented our pilot initiative, the Prime Students Innovation Studio. We had students presented their SDG-aligned ventures, and at the end, 2 teams, one team from Costa Rica and one team from Germany, got seed funding to pursue their SDG ventures.
It's just so empowering to be part of an organization like Prime at this moment in time now to make the kind of change we all desire.